That's why.
My name is Mr. Bean of Astoria.
Oh, Mr. Bean!
And every Saturday and Sunday, I have free photography.
How did you know to speak English? Because Mr. Bean is he don't know how to speak English.
Because I'm speaking actor, but the real actor, he don't know how to speak English.
Yeah, because
He is American.
Mr. Bean, he don't know how to speak in English.
Very good.
Yeah, yes.
I will say like,
Only like this.
Ah, yes, that's why.
It sounds like so weird, but I
Yeah,
should.
yeah.
Sana all.
Where's your puppet? You must to bring.
I have my KD in my house. I cannot bring here. This is my official occasion. We're just
Oh,
drinking flavored beer.
that's why.
Because I like to feel my moment, my experience, my words.
Then where you stay here?
What, sir?
Where did you stay
My
here?
house just near at the Wiswan, 6 meters far away of this place.
Oh.
You're alone there in your house?
Yes, I do.
What happened this one?
No, I just close it with these kinds of things.
It's so hot.
Yeah.
That's acibit.
Remove your jacket.
No. I don't ever remove it because I like
What's the name of that one? Is Sibit, right?
very good.
Sibit, right? I
You're so
don't.
intelligent.
Yes.
But I will ask you.
What?
I will ask you some questions. What is the difference from talong and okra? Can I ask you?
Talong is very dangog-dangog. No. Okra. Yeah. Okra is very dangog. And talong is very... katol.
You said that. You said that, not me.
Yeah.
So don't make it bad.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you what is the difference.
Yeah. Then what is your answer of that?
Actually, if I will tell you in real, if you will slice the kinds of okra, it's really danglog.
Accent.
Sa Binisaya, padanglog pagkatawag.
That's why I told you, it's okra is dangog-dangog. Yeah. Yeah.
Lami may nagdanglog.
So that it will just slow and up and
And
down.
how about the talong?
You don't talong.
How about the talong?
So yummy.
Yellow with the talong.
Yeah.
It's color violet, but it's bigger than the okra.
Yeah.
It's not different.
What is the difference in talong and the kode? You say the okra is very damog. And what about the talong?
Because if you will slice it into strips, listen. If you will slice it into strips, there is look like a sticky.
Sticky milky.
No, not sticky. That's a katol. Katol.
Sticky milky.
The talong is
The
katol.
talong, when you slice the talong, it kind of becomes alagog.
Guys, I will explain.
Katol and lagom.
So you don't want me to explain?
Okay, you explain. Go ahead.
Okay, but now it's hot. I don't like to speak.
Wow!
Sana all.
Sana all.